Right, as you can see, the flue is not straight. While we've got the Rayburn off, now I want to attempt to straighten the flue before it's all relit. Right, the flue is off.
Cut that a bit.
So it should now be lined up. So he's just replacing putting all the bits back on. That's the back plate. There's got to go on there, and then that goes over there. He's already done the fire rope around the hot plates. That's all been replaced. The fire rope around the firebox has been replaced. The fire bricks inside, you can't see because he's put the winter bricks on, but the fire bricks here that was broken, and behind there that was broken, have been replaced as well. So, almost ready to get it all lit again. Okay, here we go. The flue is now straight, which is brilliant. He's managed to straighten that up, and yeah, at some point we have to block all of this in, but that'll be when we tile it all. I've just cleaned down all the top and the front using pink stuff. So that's it, it's all ready to go. Yeah, so he's just brought some wood in. We're going to start with a small fire, start warming old stove up, and yeah, it'll be great to get her going again. So I did half-heartedly attempt to clean these old tiles at the back. I really don't like these tiles, they're horrible. So we've got to get the shelves put back up, and yeah, and then at some point, as we're working round from the kitchen, we will tile all of this area here and have new lighting put in and everything. Right, let's get going then with the little fire. Check everything's all sealed as it should be, and we've got no smoke escaping. Right, got the fire alight. There we go, it's going. The temperature is starting to rise. Oh. Shut that down a bit there. Got it set on number 3 for the water temperature. the bottom valve is still open and it is set on cooking here. We've got cooking and we've got just hot water. So, yeah, so that's set on cooking. Right, so now we just let it all warm up slowly. There's no smoke escaping from anywhere, which is good. So that flue still isn't dead straight, but I think it's as straight as we're going to get it. So, but it's a lot better than what it was. Right, so we think that is a success. All the fire rope's been changed, all the fire cement's been redone. So all the joints are sealed. And that's it, all set up, ready for winter.